Hey, hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video, we are going to learn how to persist the data using Jenkins container. Okay, so first a question you should ask yourself that what folder inside the Jenkins container should I persist data? Okay, so that just log in the Docker Hub or just type Jenkins Docker volume. So here this is not a correct web page. So let me go on the other web page. Yeah, so this is the correct web page for the Jenkins container. So if you here search for volume, so this is the location, exact location where you need to mount in your Docker host machine. So this is the var, inside the var folder there is a Jenkins underscore home folder. This is the correct folder. Okay, so that so we require this folder for mount in the Docker host if we want to persist Jenkins container data. Okay, so I'm going to create one folder with the help of mkdir command inside the mnt folder, same, and the folder name will be the Jenkins. Okay, so our idea is that to map this mnt inside the Jenkins folder to the container folder, so data will be replicated between the Docker host to the that Jenkins container. Okay, so let me start the Jenkins container. The command will be the docker run -d for detach mode hyphen name will be the Jenkins. Okay, and then -p port will be the 8080 is the host port, and same 8080 will be the container port. Then -v for volume will be the inside the mnt I created Jenkins folder that I want to mount inside the container var folder. There will be the Jenkins and underscore home folder there. Okay, and after that image will be the Jenkins slash Jenkins. Okay, so in this command I'm going to start one container which have the Jenkins image, and we're going to mount a Docker host that bind Docker host this folder inside the mnt Jenkins folder. Inside the container we are going to mount that var Jenkins home folder. Okay, and on the port number 8080 is the host port, and the same 8080 is the container port. Let me start this container. So it will search this image locally inside the Docker host machine. If not found, then it will download from the that Docker hub. So let's check our container is up and running or not with the help of docker ps command. So it's not running yet. So why it not running? Let me find out the root cause. So let me find out that stop container. So docker ls hyphen a, okay, docker ps hyphen a. So this container, I think we try to start, but it stopped within a 40 second ago. It container is created. So this is our Jenkins container. So how we can uh, found the log inside this container? So the command with the docker logs and the container ID. Okay, docker logs and the container id will be start 0d0. So, so it's showing the error that cannot write the word Jenkins home copy reference file log wrong volume permission. So it's showing the volume or the folder which we are going to bind inside the container folder that don't have the enough permission. Let me show you that folder. So so this folder we created, Jenkins folder. This folder don't have enough permission to write that data inside this Jenkins folder. Why? Because they the root user have the full authority, and in the root group have the read and execute permission. Other don't have that write permission. Okay. So firstly, we need to rectify this permission issue. So how we can do that? So with the help of the uh, change ownership command, we will perform. So chown the change ownership permission, then 1000 colon 1000, and the folder name will be uh, inside the MNT and Jenkins folder. Okay, let me again show the correct that permission. So here we found the EC2 user have the correct permission. Okay. So now I'm going to create this that Jenkins container once again with the same command. So it's saying that the Jenkins container already exists. Let me change the name of the container Jenkins 1. So let me show with the docker ps command. This time our Jenkins container up and running. So as I saw the ls command inside that mnt folder and inside the Jenkins folder, so they automatically these files are created once the folder that once that container is got started. So these file automatically created because we bind the host folder inside the Jenkins container folder. Okay, so inside this location all the file automatically sync with this Jenkins host or the host machine. Okay. So now I'm going to access the Jenkins in a browser. So I need to find the public IP for my Docker host. So this is the public IP for my Docker host. Let me hit this IP on the browser and add the port number 8080 at last. So it's showing that Jenkins login page, and it's also showing that the password for initial password is stored inside this location. Okay, inside the word there's a Jenkins underscore home folder. Inside that there's a secret folder, and inside the secret folder there is a initial admin password file is there. Inside this file we have that administrator password. Okay, so let me fetch this password from our container. So how we can fetch? With the help of docker command, docker exec, then the container name will be the Jenkins ones, then bash hyphen c, and inside we write the complete path of this location. So this is the password. Okay. So with the help of docker exe, Jenkins that container name, and then bash shell script. Inside the bash shell script, we are going to cat this file. Okay. So this is the password. Let me copy this password and I'm going to log in with this same password and click on continue and install the suggested plugin and select plugins to install. So I am going to click select plugin to install and I'm not going to install any plugin, so I'm click here none option. Okay, and then I am selected here none option and click install. So once you click install, it will ask your initial user which will create inside the container. So I'm going to provide the admin user and the same admin password, and the confirm box also provide the admin password and full name will be the admin. So I provide the admin user and same admin password. Okay, save and continue and click save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So in this way we are logging inside our Jenkins container. Okay, let me create a new item, and enter the item name demo and click OK. Okay, so I click this demo as a free item. Here we found our job name is demo. Okay, now I'm going to delete this container and will create other container or another container in place of this Jenkins container, and we found that these all the configurations should be there inside the new container. Why? Because we bind our Docker host volume to the container volume. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this container. So let me refresh this page once again. Sudo su clear docker ps. So our container is up and running. Let me remove this one, docker rm hyphen f, and container id start with the 12d. So I deleted my existing Jenkins container. So right now though not any running container is there. Okay, now I'm going to create the new container in place of this one, and even I just try to refresh this page, the page will not loading. It's showing the site cannot be reached. Okay, so let me again launch the same container with the help of the docker run hyphen d hyphen name. I will provide the same name Jenkins one, then hyphen p the port for 8080 same port, and the same volume I'm going to bind with the container volume and using the same image. Okay, so our container I think started. Yeah, now let me refresh the page once again. Just provide me the login credentials. So I created last time I created the admin user, so same user I'm going to log in and same password. So here I'm able to log in the same user and password. Even I have that demo that task or job is there inside the Jenkins container. So friend, so this is the complete demo. I think you have a better idea about the Jenkins container and how we can use the bind volume for the Jenkins. So if you have any suggestion, please let me know inside the comment section of this video. Okay, thank you for watching.